This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Xapilis 5 tablet is an anticoagulant medication that helps manage blood clot formation. It is essential for patients at risk of serious clotting conditions. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the management and prevention of blood clots in adults, particularly following surgeries such as hip or knee replacements. It is also used in patients with atrial fibrillation to prevent blood clots and is effective in treating deep vein thrombosis and pulmonary embolism. Additionally, it helps in preventing the recurrence of these conditions, making it a vital option for those at risk of blood clot-related complications. How it works. Xapilis 5 tablet works by inhibiting clotting factor Xa, a critical component in the body's blood clotting mechanism, thereby reducing the likelihood of clot formation. Directions for use. Take Xapilis 5 tablet exactly as prescribed by your healthcare provider. It is typically swallowed whole with a glass of water. If you have difficulty swallowing, consult with your doctor for alternative administration methods. The appropriate dosage and duration of treatment will depend on your age, body weight, and specific medical condition. Always follow your physician's guidance to ensure safe and effective use. Possible side effects. Possible side effects may include bleeding from various areas such as the eyes, gums, or rectum, along with bruising, anemia, low blood pressure, and nausea. It is essential to monitor for any worsening symptoms. Precautions and warnings. Before using this medication, it is crucial to inform your healthcare provider about any existing conditions such as liver disease, kidney issues, or bleeding disorders. This medication is contraindicated for individuals with active bleeding or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Caution is advised for elderly patients and individuals with a history of heart disease. FAQs. 1. Is Xapilis 5 tablet a blood thinner? Yes, it is an anticoagulant that helps prevent blood clotting. 2. What precautions should I take? Inform your doctor about any pre-existing conditions that may affect treatment. 3. What if I forget a dose? Take it as soon as you remember, then continue as usual. 4. Can this medication cause low blood pressure? Yes, it may result in low blood pressure. 5. Is it safe during pregnancy? No, it is not recommended during pregnancy. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is valuable to us.